or good evening, depending on when you are watching this video. This is the third lesson of imperative forms. First thing we'll be talking about is expression of invite. さあ、何々をしよう。It's a special type of imperative. 特殊な命令形です。So this is the positive imperative form of the expression of invite. So you can have positive imperative form of it and negative imperative form. And so expression of invite in general is made up of let's something. Let's plus imperative. Let's plus 命令形。で、意味はさあ何々をしよう。さあ野菜を食べよう。So here's more examples. 歌うの歌。So that is sing in English. 歌うは sing in English. So if you want to say さあ歌いましょう or さあ一緒に歌おう then you say let's sing. Let's sing. And then here, so 学ぶのま or 学習の学。学ぶ that is to study. So if you want to use the expression of invite, you say let's study. Let's study. さあ勉強しよう。一緒に勉強しよう。英語教室の5級クラスならここまでできたら合格。Okay? ここからは同じ5級の命令形の授業でもちょっと難しい内容になるよ。Okay? ここまでの内容も難しくてよくわからなかったという人は動画を飛ばして。Yeah, so it's good that it's a video because you can go back and rewatch the things I said if it didn't make sense. Or you can just skip through. この UFO のマークが場面に登場したら動画を再生してね。Okay, so if it's too hard, if it was a little bit challenging, then skip through the video until you see this UFO mark again. Okay? 復習. Okay, so review. So we talked about this. Eat vegetables. 野菜を食べて. It is a positive imperative. Okay? Eat vegetables. If it was negative, it would be don't eat vegetables. So that would be a negative imperative. Don't eat vegetables, that's negative. You are telling someone from A, right? Person A to person B. So A is telling B to eat vegetables. Maybe like Adam. A for Adam. Oop. Adam is telling Billy, maybe. Adam is telling Billy to eat vegetables. Right? One person to another. You are requesting, right? You are requesting or suggesting, commanding, maybe ordering, telling them to do something. Eat vegetables in this case. If you say, let's eat vegetables, right, that's different. Let's eat vegetables. What does that mean? But when you say, let's eat vegetables, then you two, right, Adam and Billy, person A and B, you two are probably eating it together. Two of you sharing vegetables. Oh, so there's the UFO mark. So you can come back now if you were skipping the video. Hello, welcome back. Negative imperative. So this is still the expression of invite, but we are using negative imperative forms to make the expression of invite. And in this case, we used let's not. Right? Just adding one word. right? Nothing hard. Let's not. And then you add the imperative. Okay, so for the positive, it was just let's and then imperative let's plus 命令形。ネガティブになると let's not plus 命令形。で、何々をしないでいいよ。何々をしないでおこう。Here, let's not eat too much snack. Let's not eat too much snack. Let's not eat too much snack. Second part, even politer ways, right? もっと丁寧な形の命令形。究極に丁寧なお願い。Please pass me the pepper. Pass me the pepper は胡椒を貸してとか胡椒を渡してみんなで食事しているときにそこの胡椒を取ってとかで Please をつけたら取ってください。Right? そこの胡椒を取ってくださいとかお願いします。It's politer. Please pass me the pepper. And you can be even more politer, by making it into a question. So this is an imperative. Pass me the pepper. This is an imperative. Please pass me the pepper. It's still an imperative, but it's nicer. It sounds nicer. It's politer. This is a question. Would you please pass me the pepper? 究極に丁寧な言い方。Would you please pass me the pepper? You could also say, would you pass me the pepper? That's fine too. But adding please makes it more 丁寧, right? More polite. Would you please pass me the pepper? You could add please to most other imperatives. Okay, so eat vegetables, right? It's very direct and upfront. You could say, please eat vegetables. 野菜を食べてください, right? Please eat vegetables. You could say, would you please eat would you please eat vegetables? Would you please eat the vegetables? So, okay, we're going to move on to the worksheet. If I was going too fast or if you didn't understand, please feel free to rewatch the video up until now. Watch it until you get a better hang of it. And you can come back here and work on the worksheet.
Let's work on the worksheet. Word Healer Level 5, Unit 3, Imperative Session 3. Let's try 1. Choose the words from the word box and suggest the action that kanji means. Repeat after me. Speak. Drink. Run. Let's try 2. 適切な言葉を選んで番号を A の欄に書き全文をもう一度書き写しましょう。Number 1. Run in the library. 1. Let's. 2. Please. 3. Don't. 4. What? 正しい言葉を一つ選んでここに番号の答えを書いてください。その後でその言葉を入れた状態の全文をここに書き写しましょう。Pause the video. Let's try. Number 2. Rob. Hey Peter, what's the matter? You look sad. Peter, I am sad because I will have a math test tomorrow. It's too difficult. Rob, don't Let's after school. Peter, thanks. 1. Speak. 2. Sleep. 3. Read. 4. Worry. 答えを一つ選んで番号をここに書き、それを入れた状態のこの文章の全文をここに書きましょう。Pause the video. Let's try. Number 2 of 2. 1. Study together. 2. Play football. 3. Have supper. 正しい答えの番号をこちらに書き、それを入れた状態のこの文章の全文をここに書き写しましょう。Pause the video. Good luck.
And that's it for the lesson. So thank you for listening. I hope you learned something. If you don't understand, go through the videos again. Hopefully, you have a better understanding of everything. Thank you.